Let me try that again. Ah, okay, let me run it anyway. Let me run it anyway.
Make sure that you get comfortable and do that big stretch.
It works now. Anyway. Okay. Probably because I switched scenes that it can sort of happen. Hmm. Okay. Sure. Okay. Okay, is the counter screwed now? Maybe. It's probably just a little bit of screwy happening because if the counter doesn't reset correctly, what does it not do on this screen? Oh, I'm wasting more time with this command history. Okay, what's going on now? Twitch channel point. Kith. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. I mean, is it an issue with the name of the scene? It might be. This seems completely arbitrary.
A certified based moment.
Why is Kith so buggy? I don't get it, chat. I'm gonna have to dig into it later. Um, uh, Twitch channel point. Action groups, redeem text show. Did I unlock it as a command?